For this exercise, we'll be creating a collection using the customers.json file. Make sure you've downloaded the file. Once you've launched Studio 3T and connected to MongoDB Atlas, in the connection tree, right-click the connection and click Add Database. Type Sales in the database name text box, and then click OK to create a database named Sales in the connection tree. Right-click the database you just created and click Import Collections. We'll be using a JSON file to create our collection, so select the JSON option and click OK. This will add a JSON import tab to the main window. Here you can add files that contain source data. The files appear as a list, which you can then select for import. To do this, click the plus button to add a source file. Navigate to the folder where you saved customers.json, select the file, and click Open. To execute the import, select the file from the list and click the Execute button on the tab's toolbar. Once the import is complete, close the JSON Import tab. Discard any changes you are prompted to save. In the connection tree, expand the Sales Database node and then expand the Collections node, and you should see the Customers Collection node now listed. Double-click the collection to open it in a Collection tab. This collection contains 1,000 documents, each one a customer record. To add a document to the collection, click the Add Document button in the toolbar of the Result tab. Studio 3T will launch an Insert Document dialog box. When you add a document, you must include an outer set of curly braces, which is why the text box provides them by default. Since we're going to paste the document into the text box that already includes these, we can delete these before we paste our document. Click the Validate JSON button. This will check if the object has all the required properties. In this case, you should receive a message saying that the document contains valid JSON. Click OK. Click Add Document to add this validated document to the collection. And to confirm the document has been successfully added, we can click the Count Document button at the bottom of the Result tab. The collection should now contain 1001 documents. Leave the collection open for the next exercise.